Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can fade an image in Figma. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, log in to your Figma account, and once logged in, open the project that you're working on. And then, we're gonna go to the image that we are about to add a fade on. For example, we have these two images. I am going to teach you two ways on how to add a fade on it. The first way is to add a rectangle right here. So we're going to click on this button on the bottom panel, and then we're going to make a rectangle on top of the first image. After that, we're going to go to this option on the right panel, click on it, and then we're going to go to gradient. And then don't forget the steps. We're going to set this to 0, 100, 100, and also 0. Then we can choose a color whatever we want. For this video, I am going to choose the color red. And the other one too. Alright. Now, as you can see, there's a bit of a fade already appearing on the image. The next thing that we need to do is to select both the rectangle and the image. Don't forget that the rectangle should be under the image. The image should be on top, so you can select both of them. Like that. So, click both the image and the rectangle. And then, right click and click on Use as Mask. After that, as you can see, there's a fade. So how can we adjust this even more? We're going to go to the right panel again, click here, and then as you can see, this option would be available, and if you drag it, it would instantly add a fade on your image. That's the first way. The second way to add a fade, if you do not want to add a fade in transparency, first, we're going to go to our image again, and then on the right panel, we're going to click here to add another layer, and then we're going to set this to 100. Click on enter. After that, we're going to click here and choose gradient again. And from here, we can adjust this as much as we want to add the fade that we want. And that's it. So, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!